Hello everybody, welcome again to another valuable video from Jn-Datasoft. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create student bills for next academic term or section. So if you have challenges or you don't know how to do it, kindly watch this video to better understand. Now let's move on to the database. So you head right here to payment, you come to bill. You can see here we have already populated a bill item, so we can go ahead and create another one. You can just click on add new record. It gives you a blank form, and then first of all you can come to the settings and set up your bill, maybe tuition fee and how much you collect. Maybe I'll charge $500, or PTA maybe $20, maintenance 20, ICT facility. The ones you think you don't want, you can just go ahead and click delete and delete it. You can add more to the list. Classes fee, and then you enter the amount, the $7. Then you save. Once you've added the bill items, then you just go ahead and come here, then add the academic year. So we are in 2022. Select today's date, you select the term, we are in term 1, term 2, term 3. You select the session, so the session is for 2022 term 1. You select the resumption date. So what is the resumption date? So maybe 25th of March 2022. That is when we are resuming school. And then we go ahead and add the bill items. So you can see we have the classes fee that we added. So tuition fee of $7. You can go ahead and make changes. Then you come here, PTA, you add the items, development levy, whatever you want to add, cadet, transport fee, then maybe sports practicals. The most unfortunate thing you should notice there is that you can add two of these bill items twice. So you can add the tuition fee twice. So when you come here and click on tuition fee again, it might look like it worked, but it didn't. See, the changes you requested were not successful. So it's either you change it or you delete it from the system. You can move to PTA, and then it works. So that is how you go about by adding the bill items. Then we have the supplementary bill item. This one, you basic things that maybe the school charges. You can add tissue, what is the quantity 1, maybe soap, what is the quantity 2, Dettol. If you don't want it, you can delete some of the items. So if I don't want this, I can just click on delete and press delete on the keyboard and confirm. I can equally delete some of the items. Maybe I don't need a cadet, I press delete, I delete it from the system. So basically I finished setting up the bill item. If there are any other information I want to display on the bill item, I would have to just quickly come here and then copy. I can just type. You can open Microsoft Word and type the information here like this. Make the particular changes. You can format it, give it the feature that you want, how you want to use it. You can add more to it. Maybe come to school next week. Then you can edit. So you can go ahead and then maybe decrease the font size. You can change the font style. Maybe all black, and add the particular features you want to add, the bank account details or whatever. Then you go ahead and copy, hold Ctrl+C. I've cut it. Then just minimize and go back to the software, and the bill description we go ahead and paste. And then once we pasted this into it, we should get our details. So we just go ahead and save, and then once we've saved, we click on a particular class. Now there's a trick to this. For this to actually work, it means you have to be using the accounting side of it for it to work. Let me show you something here. We go ahead and click here, then click on the, so you have to use the payment aspects to bill the student. Then what it will do is to pick the arrears. So if, for instance, if this particular student Robert Shen is owing an amount of $350, it's automatically going to pick the arrears of every student and add it to the bill item. So you notice that when you go ahead and bill the student, let's move out of this, and then we come back to the prepare bill, and then we happen to select the class. So let's go ahead and select maybe basic 4. It's automatically going to give us the bill, and you see the arrears. So this is the arrears as of maybe the time the bill was handed over. This particular student, Abraham Kayla, is owing an amount of 150 Ghana cedis. So we can go ahead and print it out. You can go ahead and create a PDF of it like this. So we have a PDF of it, so we can see the items that we have and the amount. So let's go ahead and confirm if it's indeed the student is owing that such amount. So that is the trick. So if you have not billed the student, you can use this aspect. If you're not using the accounting side of it, you can use it, unless when you open it like this, it opens for you, then you close it. You go ahead and exit out of this app, close out of this, and you click on this report. This particular report doesn't add the arrears to it, so it works without the arrears, and then you get just the total amount. So basically this is how you go about it. Kindly watch the video tutorials, subscribe, and so if you enjoyed this video, let me know. That will help me to create more content and add more features to it. Please subscribe to my channels, hit the notification bell for more updates, and enjoy using Jn-Datasoft. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.